Meaning of huh.
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 Ha. Ha is an interjection typically used to express confusion or a lack of understanding in response to something that has been said or presented. It is a versatile word that can convey a range of emotions, from curiosity to annoyance. The use of ha is common across many cultures and languages, and it is often accompanied by nonverbal cues such as raised eyebrows or a quizzical expression. Overall, ha serves as a simple but effective means of communicating uncertainty or seeking clarification in conversation.